Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So you're going to wonder what I have here with all the Japanese writing. And I will start by showing you. This is my chum's wallet. I've been carrying the Ohto pencil. It is a clicker pencil. And it is touted as one of the world's smallest pencil. And it is definitely fun to carry, and you barely can tell that it is being carried. So what we have here is one of the world's smallest pens. You can pick this up on Amazon for $7. And let's see what it's all about. As you can see, it comes with a nice card insert. You can insert it into a wallet, into a credit card slot. So let's see. That is pretty cool. It looks like you have a release on the side there. So it is 3.6 inches long, 0.29 or 0.2 inches in diameter, and it weighs just under an ounce, or 0.1 ounce. It's an aluminum shaft, made in Japan. Takes a 0.5 millimeter pen cartridge. You can buy the pen cartridges. You got to be careful on Amazon, because if you buy them singly, the refills are $14.88 for a single refill cartridge. But you can buy buy a 6-pack for $6.88. It is an oil-based ink, and let's see how it writes. So not the most comfortable pen to write with. It's not something you'd be using on a daily basis, but to stow away in your pocket, in your wallet, it will come in pretty handy. It's pretty neat. That is the Ohto Mini Pen. Hope it's focusing on that. To give you a size comparison, so that's the pen, and that's a Sharpie, and that's a Poke pen. It's pretty dang small. Pretty neat though. Definitely raises people's eyebrows when you pull it out. The pencil I've enjoyed carrying for a long time. Give that one a shot. Do it over here where it's a little easier. So there's the pencil. So pretty cool, pretty cute. Again, put it right in the sleeve here. You can leave the sleeve in your wallet and just pull the pen out whenever you need it. So you can store two of them side by side in the same sleeve. almost perfect. So that is the Ohto Mini Pen. Let's see. Minimo pen. That is the Ohto Mini Pen. Found on Amazon for $7.88. Right. $7 even. And it comes in black, green, and pink. And I will leave an Amazon link down in the description so you can check it out for yourself, along with the pencil. And as always, I hope everyone's having a great day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.